Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Arrma Infraction. I'm on the road to 100. We're gonna try to hit 100 with it on 4S. So I got the GPS zeroed out. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up, and then I'll get right back. Alright, YouTube, let me show y'all this zeroed out. Timer is started. Hopefully y'all see it and all that. Got a few cars coming. It's midday, so kind of busy. I do plan on going live tonight, so I'll probably drop this video after my live. Oh, that's that's one of my neighbors. But doing some I did some testing. I did bring it out. I didn't post the video because I didn't get no good numbers. So right now we're gonna see if I could at least get some better numbers. At least crack 80 with it for now on 4S, and then we'll go from there. Alright, y'all, we turned around. No car behind that truck. Alright, let's bring it down. Shutting down. Not a good thing at all. I don't know what's going on, but we shutting down. Let's see if I can bring it back for that truck come. That was not good right there. I don't know what's going on, man. I hope I did not mess up this XLX. I ran it the other day. I checked, look, I hit 71 with all that damn craziness is doing. But I'm thinking my volts are dropping too low when I pull on it. I do got a big boy kid in here, so I know that thing is dropping the ohms heavy. Even though I'm running 4S, it just ain't handling the gearing. Motor's still cool. It could handle it, but we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board, y'all. I'm guessing it's overgeared. Right now, this is what's happening. I'm guessing it's overgeared for this setting I got on there. So I'm gonna go over it, and I'm gonna get it back out. I'm not even sure if I post this video. Errors like this happen to me, I rarely post it. I just go back to the drawing board, fix it, and get it right back out. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. All right, we good.
That's messed up.
I'm shutting out too.
It's kicking out, yeah. That's messed up. Uh-oh, has something to do with it. We got some interference going on. I was watching that Skinwalker Ranch this morning. They talk about that.
That's strange, bro.
There's all kinds of radioactive stuff coming out. That's
but it just happened to me, and I went over in that parking lot and started testing my street eliminator, and I said, let me come back over and test it. Still doing it.
Some interference. Never had a problem with this car ever.
I honestly think I'm overgeared because I'm on 4. Alright, guys, wanted to show y'all this real quick. So sorry about the phone noise, but as y'all see, it dropped to 9.3 volts. That was my minimum. I haven't run no 2S on here or 3S, so it shouldn't be that low. Anyway, if y'all look up here, this is my voltage. So my voltage starts here and goes up. So right now I was running, and here was 8S, and I switched off the 4, but you can see the power sag drop a bit. This one drops tremendously. Overhead drops tremendously. I mean, this could be centered into cutoff mode, and I believe that's because I was geared too high. So right now I'm about to change the gearing. Even the heat went up tremendously. So I'm hoping it didn't fry. If you see from right here, it went up to about 61, 70 degrees, straight up to almost 179. Which shouldn't fry it, but that's pretty hot. And then it drops tremendously back down and it stays down. But I was still getting shut off all through here. You know, I can even put the mouse on it and show y'all. I got a 97 temp. Get some readers on the mouse. I got 109 temp. Throttle is about a little bit more than half. Yeah, I'm change that gearing and then we'll take it back out. I'm gonna clear this data log. All right, YouTube, this is just gonna be a quick blast just to prove my theory was right. Hopefully y'all seen the data logs I showed. Just wanna see if it shuts down or what happens, because I drag this car all the time with the same ESC and then I get no problem, so shut down on me. Shutting down. It's running, but it's shutting down. I'm gonna go back to the data logs. Driving more, and I put full hammer to it, it shut off. Show y'all. See? I'm gonna go back and see what I could do in the settings. Maybe it's something I'll restart the whole thing, but as of right now, I'm thinking that I messed up this XLX. But I'm gonna still try it. I'm gonna put a couple different settings up here and go from there. See? It's just hitting with no problem with the same setup. I launched that one. I don't know what's going on. It is cold out. Hopefully the batteries ain't playing a big part right now. Oh, she's waking up now. Get another hit. Woke up. Okay. I don't know what happened there, but I'm happy with that. I'll get another hit in just to make. She working. Woo. She hit it, y'all. I don't know what happened. I don't even think I'm gonna speed run this XLX no more. I'm gonna just wait for the new ESC. Uh-oh. I done fried the damn ESC. That's messed up, man. Wish I got to see it with me, huh? Oh, the motor's cool, ESC cool, it just shut down on me. I know what that means. ESC went dead on me, man. They're about to set me back on the 7 scale class. Oh, you seen that puff of smoke, y'all? Puff of smoke just came out that thing. Damn, y'all. Look at that. Why they gotta do me like that, huh? Alright, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. I'll probably put it back on the bench. If not, it's a wrap. I done burnt this XLX up now. So I gotta start back from scratch. I might be down on the 2 7 scales because both of these ESCs was for my 7 scale. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we get up and running again. No, Benji.
What'd you do?
I don't know.